some of the positive cases, they disappear. Means they have given us wrong telephone number, mobile number, maybe their wrong address. But my message to such people is this: you are a criminal, means you committed a big mistake, and by your furnishing false statement in the entry point, that itself tantamount to be cheating. And see, we can't just play with the pandemic. Pandemic is pandemic. So I would like to tell all of them, wherever you are, those who submitted the false particulars statement, stay wherever you are. Don't mix around, and please isolate yourself. And please, again, after 10 days, go back to the testing center to make sure that, okay, you become negative. Because this is very important. And they cannot play like this. I'm telling you, don't act irresponsibly. And please nobody can blame the government also. Now we have to blame the individual. In fact, it is their duty to furnish us the details, the factual particulars, not that we insist because of something else. We insisting this for their safety, for the family safety, for the community safety also. So that is very important. So the message is very clear. Don't do it again. Please don't repeat this kind of things. Mischief has been done, but please make sure now on. I request all the concerned persons coming into our state to declare your statement rightly, so that our team of health workers can trace you out easily, can inquire from you on a regular basis. How is your health? Whether you have temperature, whether you have coughing, you have this problem or that problem. I think that is very important. Once again, out of 100, maybe 1%, he is a cheater. And how do you expect our staff who man the entry point can verify when we ask the question, what is your phone number? They given the phone number. When we ask, where do you stay? They told us, I'm staying here. The address, everything is there. So we don't have much time. I'm telling you, we don't have much time. And please don't see these kind of things I'm telling you. I would like to tell you, to appeal to everyone, act responsibly. Because your mischief, your misdeed, it may lead to further deterioration of the situation. Those people who submitted false statements, stay wherever you are, number one. And number two, you need to understand individually, by your doing this, you create more harm, not only to the community, to your own family members, to your own house, to your own children, to your own relative. So it's very important, you need to understand. And this one, I think we need not say anything from the government. You need to know yourself. That is very important. Because we are fighting against the COVID-19. How can you take legal action? See, in this situation, irrespective of whether you government officials, you are ministers, you are MLA, you are anybody, but you are subjected to pass through that entry point. We have made it very, very clear, strict, that everyone has to follow the protocols and you have to come via the entry point. Please act responsibly, be it officials, be it non-officials, be it anybody. We are all concerned about the spread of the COVID-19.